Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most irresistible, fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth dinner rolls that will steal the spotlight at any meal. And they taste like they came straight from a gourmet bakery. Perfect for impressing your family and friends or just treating yourself. Look at that! Soft, buttery perfection. Ready to turn your kitchen into a bakery? Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Now, let's dive into making the best dinner rolls you've ever tasted. You're going to need the following ingredients. Be sure to take a screenshot of the ingredients. 1 cup warm milk 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast 1 packet, minus 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 3 1/2 to 4 cups all-purpose flour and 1 tsp salt, 2 mixed dough. Cover and let rise for 1 hour. Transfer dough to stand mixer. 1/3 cup unsalted butter softened. Mix until well combined. Lightly coat the surface with flour. Next, cover the bowl with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Now it's time to shape the rolls. For dinner rolls, divide the dough into 12 to 15 equal pieces. Rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. For loaf bread, shape the dough into logs. For non-flat bread, roll the dough out with a rolling pin. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or air fry to 400. Bake the rolls in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown on top. Brush with butter. Remove the rolls from the oven and immediately brush them with melted butter and honey. Enjoy your homemade dinner rolls. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.